Not going to allow people to pull us backwards. Those who want to pull us backwards, we tell them, oh, no. Those who want to pull us backwards, we tell them what? No. Things will not fall apart. And ODM, as all of you know, that we have some disciplinary issues are within us, because we believe that political party is like a club. It must have some discipline. And democracy itself does not mean chaos. Democracy means order. And the minority must have their say, and the majority must have their way. And if you are defeated and you are the minority, God help you. You keep your tails under you, and you don't go out and you start now talking as if you are the king. Na wewe kwa in the order and in the structure, you are not able to speak to the structures. So I don't want to speak more. I just want to encourage you. Nyinyi watu wa Mombasa, tunataka kuimarisha chama chetu ya ODM. We want the chama to continue. We want the chama to be strong, and we would like chama to go on the table of negotiations with order when it is together and it is strong and it is one. And you must increase numbers by registering more members of ODM. You must increase numbers by registering more members of ODM, and the youth of Mombasa must register. When negotiations come, the cause will be fully represented by all the leaders, including Samad and including representatives of Hassan Joho. All of them will be there on the table to negotiate with us. Asanteni sana. Mungu awabariki watu wa ODM. Asante sana.